In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel LinkedIn Premium and get a refund. We all know how important it is to manage our subscriptions, and sometimes we realize we no longer need a particular service. So let's walk through the steps to cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription and ensure you get your money back if eligible. First, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard or homepage, you'll see your profile icon at the top of the page. This icon is typically labeled Me. Go ahead and click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you need to select Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the settings, head over to the Payments section. Now, in this tutorial, I'm using a sample account, so it may show an option to upgrade for free. However, for those of you with an active LinkedIn Premium subscription, this is the section where you'll begin the cancellation process. In the Payments section, you should find an option labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on this and your LinkedIn Premium subscription will be canceled. You will also receive a confirmation email shortly thereafter, confirming the cancellation. Now, if you're looking to get a refund, there are a few additional steps you need to follow. Keep scrolling until you reach the very bottom of the page where you'll see the Help Center link. Click on that and you'll be taken to a new page with a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Request a Refund. You should then see an option for Request Refund appearing in your search results. It's important to note that you should only submit a refund request if you believe you meet LinkedIn's criteria for a refund. If you think you are eligible, click on the Request a Refund option and then click Submit. LinkedIn Premium subscriptions include services like LinkedIn Learning, Recruiter, Premium Career, Sales Navigator, and Premium Business. If you have subscribed to any of these services, you might be eligible for a refund if you submit your request within 7 days from the charge date, as long as the premium features remain unused. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription and request a refund if you're eligible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you manage your online subscriptions efficiently.